Hello everyone, welcome back to another Shopify tutorial video. In today's tutorial, I'll guide you on how to purchase a Shopify plan without using a debit or credit card. If you don't have those, don't worry. You can still subscribe to a Shopify plan using PayPal with a balance. Let's dive in. To begin, log into your Shopify account. If you don't have one, make sure to create an account. Once logged in, navigate to Plans and Billing. This is where you'll find the options for your Shopify subscription. In the Plans and Billing section, select the Shopify plan that best suits your needs. On the plan page, you'll see various payment options. Look for the Pay with PayPal option. If you have sufficient funds in your PayPal account to cover the cost of the plan, this is the way to go. Click on Pay with PayPal, and you'll be redirected to the PayPal website. Here, if your PayPal account has enough funds, the payment will be processed, and your Shopify plan will be activated. If your PayPal account balance is insufficient, you can add funds to your PayPal account using a credit or debit card or any payment method available on the PayPal platform. And there you have it. Buying a Shopify plan without using a debit or credit card is possible through PayPal. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to drop them below. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more helpful tutorials. See you in the next video.